Okay, so let's start with GJ for the week. So yeah, weekly, you already know that the flow is bearish. You see price greatest support here. You see this big old engulfing candle, and then a lower high created all this rejection went to the top, saying, okay, more than likely it's going to continue bearish for now, at least until this level right here. This is where I think that price is going to continue down to. That's where I really think price is going to end up coming back to. All right, because if you look at it structure-wise, this was the higher high, higher low, higher high. This was the last higher low that we technically had on this time frame. And the fact that price is just, you know, making its way down back to this level. This is the level right here where it has the highest probability of actually turning around. It reminds me of the situation here, right? Like this moment right here is like this. When we look to the left and we see where price made support was right here. We look to the left again, there's a very high chance that price can go right back there. So that's just my assumption. I'm still in sells from last week when it was going from here. All right, and yeah. GJ is not in really take a trade type of mode right now. At least we would have to look for some type of pullback. Really? So I'm still in sells, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. Let's look at Nas. Nas now. Let me take everything away for it is a new week. Start on the monthly. Okay, let's see the weekly actually. The weekly is bullish when it comes to current low. We had this low resistance level right here, and ever since it's just been going bullish AF. So bullish on the weekly. On the daily, we are also very much bullish. And then on the 4-hour, we're bullish. So we know what we're looking for. Now let me mark off some important levels that we won't want to accidentally buy into or sell into. Let's consider this right here. That's a weekly level. Some weekly level right here. I think that's all. Now, I would like to see, before I get into any long-term NOS trades, that was the official structure break, and ever since then, it would be point A, point B, point C, 38.2, point A, point B, 22.6. So technically, we're still waiting for that structural move. That's not to say you can't take trades off of the 23.6, of course, but just know that we haven't had that nice deep retracement that we would like to see ideally. But if I were to try to take a trade today, I would like to see some break of resistance. Wow, looks disgusting. That has not happened yet. So waiting for all right. So right now, the lower time frame is looking like this. When you start to get something like this, then that's buy time. Regardless of where it happens, when it comes to it's breaking, but it's not out of PRZ zone, just look to the left for your take profit and it should be good. Now for gold today. So the weekly had been bearish to me for a while. Look to the left, you see this is a major area of liquidity. What I really like about right now is that we have this trend line break. And remember, I've been waiting for this since last week. I think now price is going to start to go bearish, and I also say that because this is one higher low, PRZ, another higher low PRZ, another higher low PRZ. Take this, point A, point B. This was an actual, I don't know where my thing went. This was an actual, oh, here we go. Right here. Make this thick. Because this was a PRZ level, and then we're starting to get breaks, right? So especially if this 4-hour candle closes bearish in an hour, I think that for the week, or at least for the next few days, we're going to be bearish. Intensely so, because, you know, this had been a long time coming. Look how it starts to, the higher highs get less higher, you know? So I'm definitely, I mean, I just got in some buys when price came back, I mean, some sells when price came back up here, you know? So I'm looking forward to see what gold do, but definitely my bias for the week is bearish. Another, this area is visible on the weekly. Let's see if I can look to the left and see anything that is also relevant. Not recently, unless it's this right here. Yeah. Yep, but that is my bias for these pairs, and there is no news until Wednesday. Also, European holiday. All right, happy trading.